Sa mga gusto magpagawa guys, ayan, this is a small kitchen with hanging cabinet. So, may exhaust fan din yan, DIY, yung kanyang box, and also yung cabinet natin. Yung ating handle is gold, stainless po yan. Ayan guys, sa mga gusto magpagawa ng inyong small, but you have a small kitchen, but you want like a unique, ayan guys, pwede kayong mag-message sa akin guys. Ayan. Kitchen with loop. DIY din po yung ating lagayan ng wall ng ating wall lights. Ayan. Using tubular guys, 2x2. Ayan. Yung ating loop na pwedeng maging tulugan. Ayan guys. So, may kwarto na siya sa taas with laundry area, yung ating small size ng ating kitchen. So, ayan siya guys. Sa mga gusto magpagawa, just send me a message. And for more tips guys, just subscribe to my channel and comment guys sa mga gusto. Just comment down below and don't forget to subscribe. And for more tips and ideas, thank you so much. Bye-bye.